Okay, guys, what we have here is CADJPY. By the way, we would want to look at where this CADJPY will be moving. So, in order to be able to predict this move, guys, I want us to actually start from the weekly time frame. So, take a look at this CADJPY on the weekly time frame. There's only one movement we all can see clearly. It is actually an impulse movement upward, right? That means we are going bullish, right? I think this started since early 2020. CAD has actually been rolling up, going bullish. Now take a look at this movement here. Let's add this 10-period moving average for you. You can see this above 10-period moving average. We are going bullish, right? Now take a look at this movement here, guys. So from here, we actually added this impulse movement here. A correction was made. So notice how we add another impulse movement here. So kind of, price actually dropped. We had a little bit of impulse movement. This bullish move broke the previous highs. Then a drop was made. Then we add another impulse movement, and now we are on a correction. So we see that this correction, where do you think this correction will be happening? I believe we'll be having this correction at our next level. Where is the next level? This level here. You saw the price reacted at this level. Once the price dropped, it came to drop. You saw this huge wick here. We saw its price came to this huge wick, before pushing up. Same thing happened here at this level here. So I still believe this CADJPY will actually drop here, and before it actually roll up. So personally, I'm still seeing this CADJPY as a bearish move. Now that is it. Now let's roll down to this daily time frame. So I will leave this here. Daily time frame, what we all can see on our daily time frame is actually an impulse move or a downward, right? Or upward, sorry. But of recent, we can see a bearish move on our CADJPY, coupled with the fact that for days now, price is now below 10-period moving average. And if you have to trade what we see and not what we think, what we clearly seeing here is that CADJPY is bearish, meaning CAD is going down. Why JPY itself will be pushing up. Now let's take a look at this. The reason why you see this CAD going down, right? You can see this CAD going down. Let's open this JPY index. So if you have to zoom in on this daily time frame, you can see that this JPY index has actually been pushing up. So the reason why we are having a drop in our CAD. So CAD is now bearish. So I would take it as an impulse move downward, a correction. I will take it, then another impulse move downward. And I will also take it as a correction, guys. And what I am expecting next is another impulse move downward. So on this CADJPY, I'll be expecting a drop. Reason is that I'm going to show you another reason why I'll be expecting a drop, right? We saw price reacted here multiple times, 1, 2, then dropped. Once it broke out, it came to test it 1. It also pushes up, came to test it 2. Now this price is dropping. The next level we all can see clearly. This is the next level we can see where price has reacted multiple times. So this is the next level. We are expecting this CAD to actually drop there. That is one reason, number one, why I said CADJPY will very much likely to continue to go bearish. If possibly, I'll show you how to take the trade for the day. But before that, let's see on this JPY index. By the way, you can see this JPY index. Let's highlight some key level here. I will highlight this key level here, and I will highlight this level here. Now take a look at this JPY index. You see for 4 days now on this daily time frame, we are bearish. So price has been going down. So it got to a time that this price started ranging, right? We see it once it got to our resistance, it dropped to our support, then go to our resistance and so on. Then unfortunately, or what? When I say fortunately or unfortunately, price broke below the support level, right? So we have the news, price broke below support level, and guess what? Once price break below a level, be it support or resistance, the price will roll back to test that level again, which is exactly what we got here on our JPY index. Not only the price came to test it, broke above it, roll up to our resistance level. Now we can now take this breakout as a false breakout here. We can take this as a false breakout. So we should actually put that aside. So now price has rolled up to our resistance level, right? We all expected it to drop to our support level, so which it did. So after our support level, what are we expecting next again? Another impulse movement upward. So as this JPY index is giving us our bullish move, as JPY itself is going bullish, then any PS we are trading to our JPY should actually drop, right? So this is another reason why, reason number 2, why I said CAD to our JPY will actually drop. So second reason is that CAD to our JPY will drop. So with this Are we going to have this movement for today? I don't think so. For today, which is on the 13th, I still believe that JPY index will actually still drop, by the way. So let's see this JPY index. This we still have at least let us say 50 pips more drop to be made. Then after we've had a bit of drop, it has come out to take out this low level we'll be having on JPY index. Once this JPY index actually come to take that level, which a little bit of drop should occur, then we should see a little bit of a bullish move on our card, right? See it, our card, so our card JPY, so a little bit of a bullish move. After that, then this JPY index should start giving us a bullish move meant up to our resistance level. That is to say that our card will now start dropping as soon as JPY index is going up. Now that is it. Now to actually take this trade, right, we would want to go look at it on the 4-hour time frame. So place this trade for today, guys. I want you to highlight some key levels here. By the rules of trading, trade what you see and not what you think. We can see this huge week where price reacted to this level. So price dropped down, it rolled up, it tested this level 2 times, right? Then dropped again, came to this level, dropped again, came to this level again, came back a little bit to drop. So but above all, the long-term movements, we are expecting a drop on our CADJPY, right? So that is one. Second is that this card itself, so our JPY is at this resistance level on our 4-hour time frame. What are we expecting it next? Another drop again. So we would want to actually range with it as it is doing so on our 4-hour time frame. Clearly, we can see on our 4-hour time frame, this price is ranging, CADJPY is ranging. Once it's hitting our resistance, it's dropping to our support, going up to our resistance. We would also trade like that. So currently, the level is around our resistance level. If you have to take this trade, then I personally would say you should actually short it downward to our resistance. So CADJPY, I am still expecting a drop. Then maybe possibly if price can now break below this support level on our 4-hour time frame, then you can now short this card and continue to go short. If not, we might want to trade it on our 4-hour time frame, which means we are ranging on our 4-hour time frame.